Now I will show you the demo itself. The scenarios that we are going to show in this demo are constructed using AWR software. AWR is an RF simulation software that simulates an actual real RF medium with real radar transmitter and real RF front end of the receiver of a radar. The AWR output is being saved into a file, and this file are being loaded into the arbitrary generator here. The demo screen consists of the following charts. Here in the left hand side we can see the bandwidth of the pulse in the baseband. We can see that the bandwidth of the pulse is about 10 megahertz, and here we can see the pulse shape in time domain. In these two windows in the middle we can see the samples that are received from the A to D in the time domain here in the right hand side, and the FFT in the frequency domain. These two windows are showing the scenario itself. Here we can see the scenario as we should sample it in a normal nyquist receiver, and here what we can see in the red dot is the reconstruction in our system. Now I will activate it. I will activate the first demo. It will take a while to load the files into the arbitrary generator. Soon we're going to see how a nyquist radar will see it, and when I will push this button over here, we can see the samples receiving from the A to D. We can see that the samples bandwidth is from 20 kilohertz until 100 kilohertz, about 80 kilohertz bandwidth, and here we can see that in the red dots are very reconstruct the signal with a very good precision compared to the nyquist receiver. Now I will show you another scenario. In this scenario we have a more difficult scenario. This scenario consists of 4 targets that coming in pairs. The first pair has the same distance, but it has the two targets have two different Doppler frequencies. The second pair is the same. The two targets have the same distance but different Doppler frequency. However, here we can see that there are two targets with the same Doppler and they are very close to one another in the distance. Now I will show you the reconstruction. Here we can see 2 cycles of the receiving from the receiving, and here we can see that that our demo reconstruct precisely the signal. The last demo I would like to show you consists of the following targets. We have also 4 targets. Here we have 4 targets in the same, moving in the same speed, but they have very small distance between them, about half kilometers from one target to another. This scenario is hard to receive and identify the targets even in real nyquist radar receiver. I'll push the trigger button and we're going to see the reconstruction. As we can see, the reconstruction reconstructs perfectly the targets, and they're all in the same velocity and with half a kilometer's distance between them. This was our demo, and we hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening.